Hello everybody, I'm LEGO Separator and welcome back to another LEGO video. Today we're going to be looking at a set number 70502 from LEGO Ninjago, and it was released in 2013. So without further ado, let's get started. So this set comes with two minifigures, and the first one is this black ninja that we have over here. His name is Cole, Ninja of Earth, and in his hand over here he has this elemental blade, which is done with these translucent sort of jagged blade pieces. This one is done in green and has a little golden hilt as well. Now as for Cole himself, he's got black gear with grey accents. His mask over here is black with a little silver crown on the top over there. We can hopefully take that off to have a look at his face over here, which has a rather grim expression with some black bushy eyebrows. Now for his torso over here we have some dark grey sleeves and some black gloves, as well as plenty of other dark grey and silver accents on the front as well as some unique symbols. His belt as well is done in grey, as so these little bands on his leg prints as well. And on the back over here we have a silver emblem over here. Looks like a skull of a cow or something like that. Now minifigure 2 in this set is a stone warrior over here, one of them from this stone warrior series. So first of all, he's holding a black katana, just a regular black katana, just like so. And having a look over here, he has a red straw hat on top of his head. Take that off. He also has the red shoulder pads as well to stylize his armor, and his face over here has some blue face paint print with some bright green eyes and a red and white mouth over there. We can take these shoulder pads as well to have a better look at his torso over here, which has a green and black insignia in the middle, as well as some silver chains, some red armor plating, some black sleeves, and some black hands as well as some black legs over here with some armor detail printed onto them. And looking around over here to the back, we have some more armor detail. So now the main part of this set, and where all the bricks go into, is this drilling machine over here. So this is supposed to be a ninja vehicle with a little cockpit set in the base over here, but it's also functional as a drilling machine as well. Rolling the front wheels will enable this drilling function at the front to spin around, the black going in one way and the golden tip going the other way. There's a lot of detail in this ninja vehicle. I'll call it a driller just for the sake now. Okay, so first of all we have the drill bit at the front over here. Uses this sort of plasticky piece in black at the front here, which is also reused for the back wheels, which we'll see later on. We also have this golden drill element piece over here, as well as a golden cone on the front of that as well. Now there's some inner workings on the inside of this that allows this to move one way and this to move the other way, countering to the front drill, and that's activated here at the wheels. If we have a look underneath, we can actually see some of that working. One of these wheels has this little cream cog, which when it turns this black cog, which is pointing a different direction, which in turn turns this stuff here. As for the rest of the base over here, there isn't much to see, just a bit of brickwork and some golden details as well. Now looking over here on top of the hood, we have these engine specific silver pieces over here, maybe some turbo exhausts or something like that, and we also have these little golden grills on top of here as well. Now as for the cockpit uses a dark black tinted windscreen cockpit piece with some extra stickers on it. It's got, let's say, these rocky little bits at the front and some details up here at the top. One of them says Alt 1 off and Alt 2 off, sorry, with some little vents in there as well. We also have some golden sticker detail decorating the cockpit around here. So first of all we have this I should say tan green tile over here with another sticker on it. Looks like some more vents and stuff like that. We also have this little fly bug over here as well. A golden grill over here and some extra wedge pieces to match up with the slanted design of the cockpit. Also we have some stickers here on the sides too, on these black tiles. This one looks like some skulls marked out over here, and we also have another sticker over here which is slightly different. It's got more engine specific sort of stuff and a little sign saying no step. I suppose that means not to step on this. And on the inside seating area we have one seat space over here, as well as a sloping piece there as a backrest, and we have the little control panel too. It's a double chief slope with the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 as buttons over there. Have we got a mileage system over here? Oh yeah, it shows that it's going at 345 kilometers an hour. And we have a little silhouette over here of a man with a sun hat. Now over here on the sides, we can have a look at the side profile of this thing. It uses these 30mm golden wheel rims over here with these rubber tires attached to them as well. We've got little mud guards situated inside there, and looking over here we have some rocky design as well. We have these bricks with more stickers on them, these sort of rocky fractal design. The rocky fractal design also goes on to these slope pieces, these specially made slope pieces done in brown over there, and we also have some golden slopes at the base there. Now as for the seating of this this driller over here, we can fit one person in there. Take Cole and stick him in like so and put the cockpit down. Now his head fits just about well in there. It's a bit hard to see because it's a dark tinted windscreen. It's like limo windows. But as well we can fit another minifigure, a passenger, in the back over here. However, you will need to remove their legs. Like I've got this Jungle Explorer over here from some other set, not included. We can just stick him over here, something like that. We can put the cockpit on. Now we have a little passenger in there. Now we move into the back of the driller, which has some extra slope pieces over here and some extra wedge pieces. These slope pieces are 2 of them, and they both have different stickers on them. So this one says cabin heat with some engine specific pieces, and some another sign saying here cabin air with some more gold detail. Now at the back over here we have this special booster piece, this round 2x2 brick made in translucent bright orange, I suppose to be a flaming boost at the back. We also have these golden sword pieces done over here on ratchet joints to be sort of like blades at the back. They can be pointed in different directions and just add a little bit of detail. And finally there's the back wheels over here, which have some of these large black plastic wheel designs used in other Ninjago vehicles as well. They make a rumbling sound when they're rolling across the ground. And we also have some extra detail over here, so like the other things that turn around here, like these front wheels and this drill, this also has some golden set into the black, has some golden round elements there, and little tubes as well pointing outwards, so when it's placed, for instance like in this shot, we've got some little spokes coming out of the side. As for the dimensions of this thing, it's about 25 centimeters in length, 14 centimeters at the widest of these wheels over here, and about 9 centimeters in height. But that's the end of our video, so I hope to show more in the future. I hope this inspired you, and until next time, happy building!